How to disable Zscaler without a password. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Zscaler without needing a password. This is very simple. So all I have to do at first is to execute a soft reset on your PC. Go into this Windows icon and go into your settings. Now from settings, choose on update and security. And then at the left side, choose on recovery. And then hit this option here that says restart now. Your PC will automatically restart by itself, and once the PC loads up, you will automatically be redirected into the blue screen. All you have to do from there is choose on troubleshoot and then choose on reset this PC. Once reset is successful, your PC will automatically load up once again, and that's the time that the Zscaler will be disabled without needing a password. And that's it. That's how you disable Zscaler without a password.